Alright, we have a question here, and you must know arithmetic progressions, and we have options. That's cool. I think this is our first time doing a question with options. Alright, I'm gonna leave this question for y'all to solve in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think y'all have solved this question. Let's see the solution, shall we? I like this question personally. It kind of combines what I know about this topic and make it algebraic and kind of abstract. Okay, so let's try solving this. In an AP, m term is n and the n term is m, where m is not equal to n, then the p term is. So we have to find the p term. Alright, so let's try solving it, shall we? And by the way, there's gonna be some sound. It's raining here, sorry for that. Alright, so that means am is equal to n, and that means an is equal to m. That's what's given in the question. Well, I should also write this. I like to write these stuff. Alright, then the p term is what? That's right, what is AP? Okay, can we just write the general formula? I like to write the general formula, which is A plus P minus 1 times D. Cool. Okay, so we have to transform this into one of these options. Alright, so which do we do? Okay, so I like to find A and D because why? There's P everywhere in the option. Like in these options, so I can, if I find A and D, I can somehow find it. So let me go and find D first. So that is AM is equal to N, and that is AN is equal to M. Alright, now if I subtract AM, like AN from AM, I can find D. How? Yeah, let me show you how it works. Alright, so it is A plus m minus 1 times D. Don't write n minus 1, okay? We are dealing with m, so that n is m, okay? So it's m minus 1 times D is equal to n. Then that's, we are subtracting, right? So we have to distribute the minus sign. So it's minus n minus 1 times D is equal to minus m, even that minus should be here. Okay, be careful in that part. Cool. And yes, we can get rid of the A. That's nice. Now look at this. Let's subtract. How do we subtract? Let's see. Minus 1 times D minus n minus 1 times D is equal to n minus m. Okay, let's see. I feel we are getting somewhere. Alright, so let's just distribute the D out because D is common. And let me distribute these first with n minus 1. Then it's gonna be minus n plus 1. Okay, now look at this. I can get rid of this. Yes, I don't like that. So I get what? I get the m minus n times D. So in general, if you're doing these kind of solutions, if you're doing AM, AN, if you're subtracting, you're gonna get difference, okay, with m minus n. That's how the pattern goes. So if you know how the step works, you don't even have to do this step. You can directly go to this, okay? So if that's the case, that is equal to, remember, it's equal to n minus m. Amazing. Now let's find D. Alright, let me do this. I like doing this. Alright, m minus n. So we are going to isolate D. This is going to be cut it out. And you may see, this is jargon. How? It looks so frightening. What do we do? This a small technique I'm going to show you. Wait before that. Okay, wait, what am I doing? Okay, so that means n minus m, m minus n. Okay, so I want to cut these two. How am I going to do it? Remember, this is plus. I can make them into minus times minus. Minus and minus is plus indeed. If I take the minus out, I'll get m minus n, and I can cut. Right? This is a small thing you can see when you practice maths, or I don't know if you are that good in logic, you can find it anyhow. Alright, so m minus n, you can get that. If you distribute the minus out, you get this m minus n, you can put this, and you can cut it. Alright, so if you cut it, it's not 1, it's minus 1, so it's a minuser, so we'll get a number. Whoa! In algebra we got a number, that's nice. So if I substitute here, I'll be having a, and if I look at my options, there ain't a's, so we have to find the a. How do we do it? I'll take one of these, so let's take m is equal to n, so that means a plus m minus 1 times, I'm going to substitute for d, minus 1 is equal to n. Now what am I going to do is distribute this. It's gonna be minus m plus m is equal to n, which means a is equal to n minus 1 plus m. Alright, let's substitute for ap, that is equal to n minus 1 plus m, then plus p minus 1 times minus 1. Let's substitute. Let's see, I think they're getting somewhere because I can see n, m, p. I think I can cancel them once and this will be looking good. Okay, n minus 1 plus m minus p plus 1. What can I do? I can cancel the ones. And that means I'm left with ap. The p term is equal to n plus m minus p, and is that there in the options? Yes, option A is the correct answer, and that's in the options. And let's just mark it, and that's the answer. I hope you got the answer, and there could be many other ways to solve the same thing. This is my way of solving. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.